Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I want to talk about something that bother me. And not even bother, like, I just want to ask a question. This is Vlogmas day 3. Yeah, Vlogmas day 3. Somebody could have tell me, say, life would be life in my 30s right now. Like, I'm not gonna say I'm ungrateful. I'm not gonna regret the past. I'm not gonna regret nothing. But somebody couldn't tell me, say, so life I gonna be. Especially in my 30s. Especially in my 30s, where you think you would have achieved more by now. Yeah, like, me think would have achieved more by now. Like, the beginning of my life journey, like school, leaving high school, coming out into the working world. Like, I never know say so life would have hard. I feel like them should have a guide where tell we say this is how life are gonna be. Because really and truly, them never make it seem like life will be like this. They make everything seem so smooth when you are grown up. Starting off, I always wanted to be a flight attendant, and I will never forget my 9th grade teacher did tell me none of her grade 9 students going to become a waitress in the sky. And looking back on it now, it did deter me, it did change my mind, because waitress, me I think about waitress, and I go serve people and if something is just that in the sky, I'm not gonna make a good living from it. All me go do I just get for travel. But looking at it now, a waitress in the sky get a lot of opportunity. A waitress in the sky get a lot of opportunity and experience. And if it's that becoming a waitress in the sky would have made my life better, I would choose it 10 more times again. And life in my 30s right now is not easy. Like, after that, leaving school now, you get little CXC and cape. You think say you go get a good job and make some money, build your house or buy your house, buy car, buy this, but it's rough. And I just want to say, for persons out there that think that you are alone, you're not alone. If you're in your 30s right now, you don't own a house, you don't own a car, you don't married, you're not no pitney, you're not alone. Alright? And we need to set this record straight where we stop tell people, oh, you need for this and that. No. Your life, your journey, everybody's journey come differently. And that is why we always say we're not grudging nobody for what them have. We're not grudging nobody. Everybody's journey come different, because some people earn early in a life and then lose it. Some people earn early in a life and then maintain it. Some people take long to earn things. Some of we are fast learner, some of we are slow learner. But I just want to say, if you are not alone, and I just want to say, focus, 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 focus. Oblique Civil, the runner, I always remember him. Anytime I say focus, I always remember when him daddy started the race, him do like this. Focus. Whatever is your goal, whatever is your mission, whatever is your problem that you feel like you need to fix, just focus on it and fix it. In our 30s now, I think 30s is the hardest part of my life, because 30s is where I realize that I should have accomplished more. 30s is where I realize me I beat on myself. 30s is when me know say me have my pitney to take care of, and me have to figure it out, because nobody else now figure it out for me. 30s, the struggle is hard in your 30s. Yeah. The man they behind me now, me I try my best to hide him face every time I come in at the camera. The 30s is a rough time. I think the 30s is the hardest time of our life. Let me know down in the comment if you agree with me. Which time is your hardest time? Your 20s, your 30s, your 40s, your 50s, or your 60s? And for the persons out there who are older, in their 40s, in their 50s, in their 60s, teach us. Let us know how you did overcome that journey here, because my journey might be different from somebody else's journey, but some of we are live the same life. Some of us are living the same life. Like when I go up on TikTok, when I go up on Instagram, and me hear some people life story, are the same story we are share most of we. I am sure if me I talk my story now, some of you will say, yes girl, I do agree. Right now I'm in a moving process, because see it, me live at my landlord house 7 years now. She sell the house and just give her 1 month notice. In the last month, in October, forget to December we now. In October, no, let me go back to September. September, she just do an informal call and say, Renee, you know, so the house has sell. She put the house on the market. Nothing never official, she put the house on the market. So if I want it to buy her, so me can whatever. By September, she tell me say, oh, sell. No lie, September that. So by October, the lady tell me say the house sell, me have to find somewhere by November. What if me never have family? Because really and truly, we are going to find somewhere to live in a 1 month. We're comfortable, where the price is right, where me can manage. Because when me appear now, remember say 7 years me live there, so the price range when me appear in 7 years, me not going to get that now. I am not going to get that now. So let me know what, let me know. Thank God to me have family. Thank God for family. My grandmother said, come, put your things on here until you figure it out. And it's true, because at the end of the day, me never give up on family. You don't see it. Anytime me get to go with family. Any chance me get to go with my family. Most of things, anything, I me then call. So, me really want to know what is life in your 30s like. Some people look like them have it all figured out, but we can't watch the internet, because the internet is not all. The internet not 100% transparent. The internet not 100% truthful. You understand? So we have to figure it out. We have to figure it out. Yeah. Guys, me don't know. When me I look upon it, the things I earned, me don't know. At least me did get fit. Me don't know. It's like me I start all over again. Starting all over in my 30s. You learn a lot relationship-wise. You learn a lot family-wise. You learn a lot financially. The things that you should have do earlier in a life. You don't know, but me not regret. I am not regretting, and I am not worrying. Life is life at this point in time. And that is my 2 cents that I want to share on this day. Let me know what you think down in the comment. Let me know if life is life in your 20s, your 30s, your 40s. And my suggestion to you in your 20s, guys, start figuring it out early. Start your life early. Start to build upon your life early. Whether it's house, whether it's car, whether it's a business, some passive income, because 9 to 5 alone nah cut it. And it's just the truth. 9 to 5 alone nah cut it. Me there wait for my daughter. Me go call her and ask her where she is, and me come back on the camera. Alright, the sun come in a little bit more for me. But me just want to share my little 2 cents. If you're in your 30s, let me tell you now. You're not alone. You are not alone. When Michael Jackson said, you are not alone. That's true. You're not alone. And me just want to share that, say you are not alone. Somehow we are go through it. Like we are go through it. You mean? Me I go through it, you know. But I know everything me can talk. Me I go through it. But the main thing, as me say, when you have work problem and house problem, are 2 major problem that. Plus financial problem, because you know where work give the finances. When you think, oh, you go pay your bills, or you go this. You think it easy for me think so I go back at my family house? No, it's not easy. Because I'm used to my own little space for 11 years. Because 11 years me away from my family house like that. It's not easy. But me just have to look on the positive. And I know say God will carry me through. You have to go down in a valley. God have to make you uncomfortable before you can comfortable. Yeah, we have to see the way. God have to make the way for we. God have to remove we from some situation. God have to remove some people from our life sometime. And so it go. We just have to stand up strong in the Gideon and say, yeah, at this we are going to accomplish. So while you're in your 30s, guys, it's not the end. Because I am sure somebody in their 40s or 50s right now would love to go make the mistake where we are met now, or would love to wish they understand that the problem them go through, they go through it in them 30s where them could have fixed it. So guess what? Make we go up on the journey of fixing the problem now. Make we fix it while we in our 30s. Alright? So the people in the 30s, we have fixed the problem them in the 30s. We now carry it through the 40s. By the time the 40s come, we figure it out. Alright? We'll figure it out by the time the 40s come. I hope you enjoyed this little vlog. We just leave the house and we just stop and do this video. So you might see me in that same shirt here in the previous video, because me I do one vlog in this vlog. So basically I am doing this vlog when me and my way I come here, because I do the moving vlog. But while me sit down here, so now me decide say me I talk to you know. So me I go in the same shirt tomorrow too. No, me I go in the same shirt in the previous vlog. Alright guys. Let me know what you think about this thought for today. How are we living our life in our 30s? What is life like in our 30s? Are we lifing in our 30s? Are you comfortable in your 30s? Are you happy in your 30s? Are you sad in your 30s? Are you okay in your 30s? Are you grateful in your 30s? How are you doing in your 30s? Let me know. So let me know say I'm not me alone. The man is just there behind the camera, so I don't know if I'm able to blur him out. Because I don't like show people face. I don't know why I'm come to choose to sit down behind the car when I do my little vlog. Anyway, so let me know down in the comments. Share your thoughts so we can communicate down in the comment. Love you guys. See you on the next video. Peace.